we're gonna be doing some repairs on the Miata. Got little tools. We gotta go under here. Gotta take the drive shaft off just to kind of, looks like it got cross-threaded or they got pulled. Yeah. So this is how it looks like underneath in the Miata. So I gotta take that plate off because it looks like the threads got pulled on the ones that connect to the U-joint there. So I'm gonna try to rethread them. So just gotta take those off and kind of just a little baby drive shaft. And then you can tell how loose they are. They don't even tighten. It's gone. Well, maybe I tighten a little bit, but yeah, they're super loose. So I gotta take them out, see if I can re-tap them, and then it'll be a little bit more roadworthy. So it just kind of sucks.
Mash up when the tune them drop. Whole place back from the front to the back. When we are part of the thing them shot. Whole place back from the front to the back. People are move like the dance floor hot. Mash up the place when we walk in, everything lift. And everybody wanna vibe, everybody get high, let them have a big split. Turn it up, Mr. Turn it loud till this.
So here we are bringing out the I messed up kit, even though I didn't mess up. So I'm just putting some M10, I think 1.5s, yeah, 1.5 into it. The other one was like some American weird size. So just redoing them all. You can see that the other ones are done now, which look great. Hopefully this fixes that issue, so I don't have to worry about that. Alright, under the car again, we got new little button bolts there. Compared to the old ones, they look a little bit more beefier. I don't know, you'll see the footage of me going to the store and just grab new ones. I think the threads, since they're a little bit wider, I think it'll be a little bit better than these little thin ones that you can see that have been messing up the, probably just can't handle the vibration and the pull and all that. But this seems a little bit better, a little bit more spaced out. So hopefully that works. And back into the adapter. We redid it already. So it looks a lot better. But yeah. So let's put this back on. Alright, so it looks like it worked. I actually see it pretty nice. So should be able to go driving pretty soon. I just had to fix the front end a little bit, do the oil change, but It looks like the adapter's back online, so I have to buy another one. At least should hold, hopefully. We'll do a couple test days and see how it do.